I wanted to see what my neighborhood looks like at night from an altitude of 300 feet. To do this, I launched my drone to an altitude of 300 feet and requested it to create a spherical photograph. This video is that spherical photograph as I am looking at it on my phone. I can control the angle by either physically turning the phone or by swiping with my finger. So when I turn the phone to the left, the image rotates left, and when I turn the phone to the right, the image rotates right. When I tilt the phone downward, the image rotates down, and my driveway is in the very center of the image. The camera is very high resolution, so I can zoom in to see more details of the driveway, and the dot in the driveway is me. Zooming out allows you to see more of the surrounding area. Controlling the spherical photograph is like controlling the camera gimbal's angle, the drone's rotation, and the camera's telephoto lens. Here is a full 360 view of the horizon while zooming all the way out. This ability to create a spherical photograph is a built-in capability of the Mavic Air 2 drone by DJI. Thanks for letting me share this experience with you.